What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I was never a car guy. I always thought that cars were just something to get you from point A to point B. And since I got interested in vintage motorcycles, I feel like old bikes was a gateway for me for vintage cars. Now, I still don't know much about them, but my latest obsession is an MG midget, or MG Sprite, or MGB. I'll put up a few photos of what they look like. There's just something about them that it just looks so cool. And I'm dreaming of one day having a garage with my done-up cafe racer bikes, and next to it is a vintage MG midget. I think the blue color is the one that really, it just looks really lovely. So what I'm gonna do today is I found a vintage sports car shop just down the road from us. So we're gonna check it out and hopefully we can find ourselves an MG midget. Alright, we are here at the Classic Sports Car Specialists. They're based in Mitcham and it's really windy today, so I'm going to head straight in. I'm going to try my best to find a MG midget, or MG Sprite, or MGB. As I said, I've only just found out about these cars, so it's going to be a bit of fun just finding out, seeing if I can identify them. But let's head on in. There's so many cars here, they all look so nice. Geez, where do we even start? I guess we'll go in this corner and we'll just sort of walk our way around. Alright, so this is an Austin Healey Sprite, which I believe is the earlier version of the midget. It's just a lovely car. I really like the headlights. Right there. Oh, okay, this is it. So this is a midget, MG midget. It's called a midget because it's so small. It's just a beautiful car.
We haven't got a price on it yet. It's probably going to be low 30s. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the paint and body not quite as good as the black one. Mechanically it's better,
Okay.
but because the paint and body aren't quite as
So this is the MG midget, and right next to it is the MG B, which is slightly bigger, slightly faster, and probably more sensible to drive around. But you just can't go past this. It's such a cool car. I love the rims. How cool is that? And this one's in great condition.
unbelievable condition. It's also it's been modified slightly to make it go a bit better, but it's
Yeah.
it's really lovely.
How has it been modified? Like with the
It's got
with
a
the engine?
carburetor on it. It's got
Yeah,
engine
sure.
slightly overboard, high compression, different camshaft, heads down.
They're just beautiful machines.
Yeah.
It's in great condition as well.
Oh, it's amazing condition. Full photographic restoration. Yeah.
Let's see how much this one's selling for. Oh. Damn, 45k. Okay. One day. But it's very wide. Oh, that's much nicer. That's beautiful. Whoa! Yeah, okay.
That's original Cathy. And it had this.
Alright, I'm back. That was fun. Those cars were really nice. I was sort of whispering in the showroom because it was really quiet, but the people there were really kind. Yeah, the old school cars are really, really cool. They're all so expensive though. Gary did tell me that the cars there are a bit overpriced, but it was good to just see them in person. And yeah, it's definitely a dream of mine to own a vintage car, but in the far future, I think I'll stick to bikes for now. I think that's going to be all for today. Just a nice quick vlog. I need to keep editing this video. I promised Vicky's boss, or the CEO of her company, that I'll submit the final draft, the final edit of the film tonight, and so I better get cracking. It's airing next week, Wednesday, and it's Friday today, so I've got a bit more time, but I just want to get it over and done with. I've sunk in like 50 hours into it so far, so I'm pretty over it. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.